we are going to see about ratio. So what is a ratio? Ratio means comparing quantities of same kind with same units. So the unit should be same here. For example, we are taking 4 kg to 2 kg. So here both are kilograms. So we can write this one as a ratio. So the ratio is 4:2. So in ratio, we can write this as a fraction also, that is 4/2. So that is, the numerator is the antecedent and the denominator is the consequent. So the numerator is the antecedent and the denominator is a consequent. That you keep it in mind. Then the next one is a equivalent ratio. So how to find the equivalent ratio? If the two ratios can be compared by converting them into the like fractions. So now when you see the example, here you have 2:4 and 4:8. When you convert this into the like fractions by using the simplification, that is 2/4. If you simplify, you will get 1/2, and then 4/8 you will simplify, you will get 1/2. Now these two ratios are equivalent. So this is how we will say two ratios are equal. So that is the equivalent ratio. Then the next one is example 1. Find the ratio of 30 centimeter and 1.5 meter. Here one is centimeter and another one is meter. You have to make it into the same unit. For that you have to convert the meter into the centimeter in the first step. So the step 1 is converting the meter into the centimeter. So you know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 1.5 meter is equal to 1.5 into 100, that is 150 centimeter. Now we can find the ratio and then we can make it into the simplest form. Okay, so 30:150 because both are in the same unit now. So we can make it as a 30:150. So 30/150, after simplifying you will get 3/5. So that is the answer. So next one is regarding to the equivalent ratio. Find two equivalent ratio of 3:9. So for 3:9 you have to find the two equivalent ratio. So 3:9 is equal to 3/9. Then you are multiplying with the 2. So you will get 6/18. And the next one is, you can also divide this one with the 3 table. So 3/9 you are dividing with the 3, and then in up you are getting the 1/3. So the 1 is the antecedent and 3 is a consequent, you know, is it? So 6/18 and 1/3 are the two equivalent ratio. So the next one is example 3. Here, divide rupees 200 between Shreya and Karunya in the ratio 3:2. So you have to divide the 200 rupees between Shreya and Karunya in the ratio 3:2. So first one is, you have to add the ratio. So in the step 1 we are adding the ratio, that is 3:2. So 3 plus 2 is 5. And the next one is, in step 2 you have to find the Shreya's share. So for that, the rupees you have to write, that is 200 into Shreya's ratio is 3. So that you have to write 3, then by the total ratio, that is added ratio, that is 5. So 3/5. So when you do the calculation, you will get rupees 120. So for the Shreya's share, it is 120 rupees. And the next one is, you have to find the Karunya's share. So for finding that one, in step 3, first you have to write the rupees as it is. Then in the numerator you have to write the Karunya's ratio, that is 2. Okay. So then you have to divide it with the total ratio, that is added ratio, that is 5. So that you have to write, and then when you cancel you will get that 80 rupees. So finally you got the answer that Shreya's share is 120 rupees and the Karunya's share is 80 rupees.